use the interpreters. The interpreter is still with Mr. Villaroo. So
Yes.
as soon as they come out, we'll do hers.
Okay, thank you.
36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, driving, or smoking. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
That way, everyone, when I call your name, I'm probably gonna start with the officer, then let the attorneys say their name. You should go last. So let everyone else say their names first, then you say your name when I call your case. All right, this is the people versus Brandon Rosen. Ticket number SP 1245481. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Rosen. I'm sorry.
Mrs. Soroki, we got a few more. Ticket number P 984996, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. And then ticket number P 936801, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. And the last ticket is ticket number 155565176, count 1, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Brandon Rosen.
Officer Peacock, can you say your name, please? On record now. Okay. Officer Peacock, Officer Baxter, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Backdresser here. Badge 8, Detroit Police Department.
Peacock. I don't know what happened to her.
Good morning, Officer Peacock, badge 3946.
All right, thank you. Mr. Rosen, say your name, sir.
Brandon Rosen.
Good.
The people made a recommendation to my client. At this time, my client's waiving his rights, asking the court to adopt that.
What is the recommendation?
I believe it was plead to 1 failed display and 1 improper play, or maybe 2 failed displays. Let me look back again. I believe two failed to, was that what it was? Rosen Brand, 2 failed displays, Your Honor. 8, the account ending in 801.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I got it. All right. Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Rosen. Do you swear or affirm? This is Mr. Rosen. You swear or affirm to tell you the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you put your hand down. You understand you do have, I'm sorry, you've had an opportunity to speak to the attorney, Ms. Soroki, in private about your case and your rights?
Yep.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything about it in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Nope.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of April 20th, 2019 at 5:52 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Grand Boulevard and John C. Lodge Freeway in the city
Yes.
of Detroit? Are you saying yes?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2006 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes.
Satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Court also satisfied the facts based on the amendment count to fail to display. I'm going to direct your attention to October 13, 2018 at 1:55 a.m. On that date time, were you at or near Wardwood Avenue in Bethune in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You driving a 2006 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes.
You're satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
If they're dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a fine of $300. So I'll waive the fine. So one of the bills to display will have a fine of $300. The other one will be waived. Can you have that fine paid by February 22nd? Yeah, 22nd.
I'm not 100% sure. Right now is the really slow season for my time of work. So as long as I can get would be appreciated, but I'll pay what I can as soon as I can.
March 24th?
Sure. I can do that.
You have any questions?
Nope.
All right, so you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And Your Honor, we're ready whenever you are on Jade Rucker. It will be a complete dismissal. Yeah, I got the file.
All right, let me get Mr. Villarreal out of here. This is the people versus. That file. I lost it. All right, this is the people versus Buddha, Rubalcaba, and Gulo. Ticket number U634-73822. Count 1, offer to engage the services of another for and after prostitution. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with the interpreter, Ms. Hernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez. This is the case contra el señor Guadalupe Rubalcaba Angulo en el caso número U63473822 y con él el cargo de abordar a otra persona solicitando un acto sexual.
Ms. Hernandez, can you raise your right hand, ma'am? Do you swear
Yes, Your
or
Honor.
affirm to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down, Mr. Villarreal.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Francisco J. Villarreal, P34147, Counsel for Guadalupe Rubalcaba Angulo.
Su nombre, por favor, señor abogado. Sí, su señoría. Mi nombre es Francisco Villarroel, número 34147 y soy el abogado para el señor Guadalupe Rubalcaba Angulo.
Cava Angulo, can you say your name, please, sir?
Señor Rubalcaba Angulo, por favor, diga su nombre.
Guadalupe Rubalcaba Angulo.
Guadalupe Rubalcaba Angulo.
All right, it's my understanding, Mr. Villarreal, your client wishes to make a no contest plea.
That's correct, Your Honor. My client has been offered, after discussions, to plead a no contest to the added count of being a disorderly person. And we have agreed that the court can, by stipulation, adopt the ticket for support of the factual basis.
All right,
Ok, señor Villarrueva, entiendo que su representado quiere introducir una declaración de que no disputa los cargos. Sí, su señoría. Eso es lo que quiere hacer mi cliente, de una declaración de que no disputa los cargos y ha hecho una negociación con la fiscalía para que el cargo sea conducta desordenada.
Mr. Villarreal, the reason for the no contest plea?
Judge,
se va a tomar para esta declaración la información que tiene la jueza allí. Señor Villarruel, ¿cuáles son las razones para que su representado tome esta
declaración de que no disputa los cargos?
Your Honor,
Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303.
Su señoría, Tamika Hall, representando a la Fiscalía número 7307.
And council and I have agreed on Mr. Rubalcaba Angulo's lack of memory.
Su señoría, el abogado, tanto la Fiscalía, hemos estado de acuerdo en la falta de memoria del señor Rubalcaba Angulo.
And that is as to all the fine details.
Y eso es con respecto a todos los detalles.
All right, so with that, Mr. Villarreal, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket?
I do,
Entonces,
Your
señor
Honor.
Villarreal, usted hace las estipulaciones con respecto a las bases para dicho ticket.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
All right, so with that, the court will accept the stipulation and will amend the count to disorderly conduct.
Entonces, con la estipulación hecha y aceptada, vamos a enmendar el ticket para conducta desordenada.
And we'll proceed to sentencing.
Y vamos a proceder con la sentencia.
Judge, just to complete the record, we should indicate that he has been advised in English as well as in Spanish that a no contest plea is like a guilty plea, and that he is waiving any constitutional rights he may have to a trial and all the rights that attach to that trial.
I'm sorry.
Sí, su señoría, quiero para que conste en el acta que el señor ha sido advertido, informado tanto en español como en inglés de que una declaración de no culpabilidad es como una declaración de culpabilidad. Y él, por lo tanto, él ha renunciado a sus derechos constitucionales y los entiende.
I'm sorry about that. Thank you, Mr. Villarreal. I forgot to give him his advice of rights. Can you raise your right hand?
Muchas gracias, señor Villarreal, por recordarme eso, porque a mí se me olvidó leerle su aviso de derechos.
Mr. Rubalcaba Angulo, can you raise your right hand, sir?
Señor Rubalcaba Angulo, por favor, levante su mano derecha.
You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I cannot hear you.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Señor, ¿usted jura decir la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Put your hand down.
Señor, ¿puede bajar su mano?
Okay, you've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Usted tuvo oportunidad de hablar en privado con su abogado y él le explicó sus derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your no contest plea today?
¿Y alguien lo amenazó o le ofreció algo diferente diferente a que usted se declarara hoy que no disputa los cargos?
No.
No.
You're making this no contest plea of your own free will?
Y usted hizo esto de manera consciente y totalmente con libertad y voluntariamente.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, and you understand that by making a no contest plea, the court will still treat this as if you made a guilty plea.
Ok, entonces la corte acepta su declaración de no culpabilidad, pero lo tratará como una declaración como de culpabilidad.
Do you understand?
¿Entiende eso? Señor Rubalcaba, ¿entiende lo que entiende?
Explíqueme de vuelta, por favor. No lo entendí.
Can you explain me again, please?
Do you understand that by making a no contest plea, the court will treat this as if you made a guilty plea? Do you understand that?
Usted entiende que usted está dando una declaración de no culpabilidad, pero una declaración de no culpabilidad es tomada en la corte como una de culpabilidad.
No, sí.
Oh, yes.
understand that by making a no contest plea, you're waiving your right to trial.
Y usted entiende que haciendo una declaración de no culpabilidad, usted está renunciando a sus derechos.
Sí,
Yes.
And waiving your right to trial, knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your no contest plea.
Y sabiendo que usted está renunciando a sus derechos, usted desea continuar con su declaración de no culpabilidad.
sí,
Yes. Yes.
With that,
Okay.
there's already stipulation to the face of the ticket and we'll proceed to
Ok, entonces con la estipulación hecha con respecto a las bases para dicho ticket, la Corte continuará con la sentencia.
Mr. Villarreal, as the sentencing.
Your Honor, Mr. Rubalcaba has no prior contact with the authorities. I believe he's 58 years old and works every day, tends to his family needs. And I think that he's a candidate for the review of this matter within whatever period of time the court thinks appropriate. I believe that I spoke with Ms. Horn, and it may take a little bit of time to go to the classes, morality classes, as well as the testing that was part of our discussions. So I'll ask the court to consider 3 months, 6 months. I think at the outset we said 6 months.
Su señoría, ¿quiere decir algo con respecto a, antes de que yo pase sentencia, señor Villarreal? Sí, su señoría. El señor Rubalcaba no tiene ningún contacto previo con las autoridades. Creo que tiene 58 años, trabaja todos los días y cubre sus necesidades para con su familia. Según mis conversaciones con la fiscalía, este caso estaría listo para ser revisado. Pienso que entre 3 y 6 meses, mejor 6 meses, para que el señor Rubalcaba pueda cumplir con todos los requerimientos que puso la fiscalía.
Court is going to order 6 months probation. You need to participate in the misdemeanor morality course, and you need to do HIV, STI testing. We don't need to know the results, just that you completed the testing.
Entonces, esta corte va a ponerle en probatorio y para revisión en 6 meses. En el curso de esos 6 meses, el señor Rubalcaba tiene que tomar los exámenes, ¿verdad? Para contra el SIDA, así como de otras enfermedades sexuales, y tiene que hacer el curso para los delitos menores para mejorar la moral.
So your next date is July 21st at 8:35. There's also going to be a $200 fine that you need to pay by that date.
Y también su próxima comparecencia será el 21 de julio. Y tiene también que pagar $200 de multa.
Any questions?
¿Alguna pregunta?
pues
I have no questions, Judge.
Yo no tengo preguntas, su señoría.
You're all set. Let me give you Mr. Villarreal the phone number to probation. So that
Please.
you find the call. It's 313-965-3141.
I'm wondering, Your Honor, if you would consider him participating with the Southwest Detroit program because of his limited English speaking. I think they have the morality class at the Southwest program.
Oh, I'm fine with that. I was gonna give you the number to that as well, but, I mean, as long as he completes it, you can do it through Southwest. I mean, talk to probation and they'll set all the service stuff.
I will. Thank you. Thank you to Ms. Hernandez, the prosecution, and obviously your staff, Mr. Darnell, who registered me earlier. I thank all of you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Villarreal.
You're all set, Mr. Rubalcaba Angulo. Good luck to you, sir.
Ok, entonces, le voy a dar, señor Villarruel, el número para el Departamento de Aprobación, que es 313-965-3141. A mí me gustaría que también participara a través del Programa de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit. Sí, debido a su inglés limitado, sí, comuníquese con el Departamento de Aprobación y ellos le darán toda la información necesaria para comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria al suroeste de Detroit. ¿Alguna otra cosa? No, su señoría, muchísimas gracias. Muchísimas gracias a usted, su señoría, a todo su personal, al señor Darnell Petney, muchísimas gracias. Ok, señor Villarruel, a la orden, puede retirarse.
Bye.
Hasta luego, señor Rubalcaba, se puede retirar. Bye bye, thank you, bye bye.
Pido
Bye bye,
perdón
thank you
por-
very much.
y pido
Hold on,
perdón.
Ms. Hernandez. All right, Ms. Hernandez, did she leave? How we gonna do Ms. Diaz?
You know, her case is a dismissal, but it doesn't really seem like she can understand anything. Maybe she'll pop back on.
Right.
Yes, it's a dismissal after speaking with the officer, yes.
All right, this is the people versus Gianni Diaz, ticket number SP 1352798, count one, disregard officer signal. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Shanti.
Hi, good morning.
Go ahead, Officer.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Shanti, badge 4170.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Ms. Diaz.
Your name, Ms. Diaz Newberg? Say your name.
Excuse me, I need the people, the translator, please. I'm sorry.
What's your name?
What's your- just say your name.
Gianni Ortiz.
Siroki, you stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
Kind of dismiss without prejudice. Ms. Diaz, you're done. It's, oh, here she is.
Okay.
Ms. Hernandez, we just did, Ms. Ortiz's case, it was dismissed. Can you just let her?
I'm here.
Ms. Hernandez, we just did Ms. Diaz's case. It was dismissed. Can you just let her know that her case was dismissed?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I cannot hear you.
We just did Ms. Diaz's case. It was dismissed. Can you just let her know that her case was dismissed?
Ok, perfect, thank you. And my apologies again. Señora Díaz, ya oyeron su caso para que constara en el acto y su caso fue desestimado. Le quitaron los cargos. Ok.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very
And thank-
much.
Okay, thank you. And thank you, Officer Shanti. I think based on this record, what you thought was plausible was actually probably true.
Alrighty.
Y
Time.
nuevamente, muchas gracias, señor Chanti. Yo pienso que basado en el récord de ella, lo que usted también pensaba, también usted tenía razón.
Thank you,
Okay.
Officer.
Okay, thank you.
Gracias,
Bye-bye.
gracias, oficial.
Okay.
Okay, now, may I leave now?
All right, you're all set, Ms. Hernandez. We're done. can
Thank
tell
you.
her to hang
Ya
up
se puede
too.
retirar, señora Ortiz. Ya
Okay,
puede.
thank you so much. Bye.
Okay,
Gracias.
bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye. This is the people versus Jawan Dooley, ticket number P1372051. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Count two, tinted windows, and count three, expired plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Yocum.
All right, Police Officer Christopher Yoakum, badge 5133.
Your Honor, I'm Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Mr. Dooley.
Jawan Dooley.
I believe the recommendation was for improper plate, Your Honor. My client's going to waive his rights and accept that.
Are you sure?
I'm sorry, it's responsible. I'm sorry, sir. So I probably guessed it. So they want you to plead responsible, Mr. Dooley, to improper equipment and expired plates. So 2 civil infractions. You okay with that?
Yes.
We're ready to, Your Honor.
Are you stipulating to the face of the ticket, Mr. Roki?
Yes.
All right, so the court will accept stipulation to the tenant windows, improper equipment, and expired plates. Will proceed to sentencing. You stipulate the proper cause as to count 1 to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice. So for expired plates, there's a fine of $145, and then for the tenant windows, it's a fine of $120. So it's a total of $265. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have it paid by February 3rd?
Not sure if I can have it paid by February 3rd.
February 17th.
Okay, that's fine.
Any questions, sir?
No, that's it.
You're all set. Good luck to you, Mr. Dooley.
Thank you.
And Mr. Roki, Jade Rucker is a dismissal. And then on Marquise Rondeau, what I did was write offers based on the officers who are here. And I kind of did a 1-for-1 on each of their tickets. So he would be pleading to 10 out of the many that he has. If he
I thought
accepts
I only
the offer.
counted 11 officers. 11 tickets for the officers that were here.
Well, like some of them, like I dismissed count 2 and had them plead to count 1. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but I only count, maybe I missed some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 counts for officers.
Ms. J. Rucker,
Now,
return to the
I'm
video.
going based on the file.
Mr. Robinson, you have to have a seat.
All right, are we ready to go? Call Jay Rucker.
Yes.
This is the people versus Jay Rucker. Ticket number P1259894, count 1, drive-by license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, driving register or entitled vehicle. Ticket number P1174735, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Corporal McCree.
Jay Rucker.
Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Jade Rucker.
All right, I don't have to Corporal McCree, but, all right, it looks like, there's, do you stipulate the proper cause, Mr. Soroki?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Rucker. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And in the room, the officers, there's probably more officers that checked in because some are sitting together. So like Officer Ollison is here. He's in the same room with, I can't remember who it was.
All right, so tell me what do you want to just tell me what the plea is? And I still need a plea on Gregory Daniel too, an offer.
I'm running his Secretary of State record now on from the SOS. Thank you.
Are we ready on Roberto?
Gregory Daniel.
Die?
I'm ready.
This is the people versus Roberto Die. Ticket number P1369977, count 1, improper slave. Ticket number P1369922, count 1, failure to secure load, count 2, failure to tarp load, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1369928, count 1, drove by license not valid or improper license, count 2, drive and register or entitled vehicle. And ticket number, I think that's it. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Whitehead.
Corporal Whitehead, Detroit Police Department, Traffic Enforcement, badge 4344.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Dye.
Yes.
Mr. Dye, say your name, sir.
Roberto Die.
Okay, Mr. Dye, did I discuss a recommendation with you?
Yes, you did.
Well, you're gonna accept that, weren't you? Is that correct?
Yeah, the one ticket. Yeah.
Let's see what it
Well,
was.
it looks like the offer was a fail to display, and then for the secure load,
Right.
a 3-month delay sentence.
That's correct. That's what we discussed, Mr. Dye. You ready to proceed on that?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear it.
There was 2 tickets. One was being reduced to not showing a valid license, no points. And the other one was failing to secure your load. On a
Okay.
delayed
Yeah, that's
sentence.
220, correct?
We're ready, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Dye.
Yeah, this is, I'm sorry, this is Corporal Whitehead. Did they, call the defendant yet? I'm in 3 different courts right now.
We're doing it as we speak, Mr.
Oh, okay, then I guess you took the deal. Thank you very much. Okay.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, Mr. Dye?
Yes,
All right, you could put your hand down. You have had an opportunity to speak to the attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange
No.
for your guilty today? You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes, ma'am.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 13, 2022 at 1:06 PM. On that date and time, were you at or near Davison and Sherwood in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2000 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes, ma'am.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept that admission and will amend that count to fail to display. I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 13, 2022 at 1:03 PM. On that, I'm sorry, same date and location. Did you fail to secure a loan?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So the fail to secure load is a 3-month delayed sentence. And you're gonna have a fine for that one. What I'll do is a fine for $300. You're gonna have to come back on April 21st. We're gonna come back on April 21st at 8:35. You have to pay the fine of $300 and you can't get any more tickets, no citation, so essentially no further police contact. I will waive the fine for the fail to display, and then everything is dismissed. So you pay the $300, come back, this will be dismissed. The fail to secure load, that would be dismissed off your record. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions, sir?
What is the date I have to come back?
April 21st at 8:35.
All right.
All right?
Yes.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right.
All right, this is the people versus Carlos Dixon, ticket number SP 1313204, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Clement.
This is Officer Clements, badge 1298.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Carlos Dixon.
Say your name, Mr. Dixon.
Carlos Dixon.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation. My client would plead to the amended count of failed to display a valid license. He's waiving his rights.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dixon. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to February 11, 2022 at 11:45 a.m. on that date and time were you at or near Connor and Charlevoix in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Are you driving a 2008 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Are you driving when your license was suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
Court's also satisfied factual basis will accept the admission, amend the count of fails to display, will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine. Mr. Dixon, can you have that fine paid by, February 3rd? I'm sorry, can you have it paid by February 23rd?
Can I get a little more time?
March 17th.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Justin Robinson, ticket number B500874. Count one, operating as a used motor vehicle dealer without a license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Justin Robinson.
Say your name, sir.
Justin Robinson.
Your Honor, this matter is set for trial today. I don't believe the officer appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
It's not here. The court will dismiss this without prejudice.
Thank you.
You're all set, Mr. Robinson. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Okay, I don't know what happened to Cynthia Rayner. She was here. Did we do her?
Who?
I don't know. I don't think we did her. Hold on.
All right, we still have Justin Reeves and Gregory Daniel and Tracy Davis, and there's somebody in the waiting room.
Well, there's a person in the hallway too, but Tracy Davis, I still need that write-up. She's been waiting for me to review it with her.
I thought he sent it to you. Did you email her that? Yeah, I did. He emailed it to you a while ago.
Let me check my email. I did not get it.
He's gonna send it out.
What's his name? No, I'm talking about. This is something else.
So then she's writing an offer on Daniel Gregory. Theodore Davis is a trial. Miss Davis is going to be a trial if she's ready, if Miss Horn's ready. Mr. Daniel she's writing an offer on.
For Tracy Davis?
Yeah,
Tracy Davis.
Theodore Davis.
Oh, Theodore Davis in the trial, okay. And
getting an offer on Daniel Gregory, getting an offer on Rondu.
What about Justin Reed?
Wait,
Well, I'm back and forth.
iPhone person, what is your name? And you have to eliminate all noise. What's your name, ma'am?
Theodore Davis.
Miss Davis.
She's on the trial.
I know.
So
what about Justin Reeves? Are we ready on that?
Justin Reeves, I'm waiting for the city to review his documents. He was supposed to have emailed them to her.
Is he?
So I can bring him out.
They just bring him out. I haven't put on the screen.
I'll bring him. Okay. I'll try to bring him out. Justin Reeves.
I did get that now, Louis. Thank you.
All right. Sorry about that.
Anybody else to bring out?
All right. There's a lot going on.
You with us? Are you with us tomorrow?
Tomorrow's Saturday.
Monday.
I am. I got a 8:30, but it will be good.
Good, thank you.
Louis, don't send me your docket. I don't like how I like the one Roberta sends. Like I'm used to this format.
Well, it's already sent now.
Okay, that's fine.
I
That's
change
fine.
it every day. It's just easy for the flow. And highlight.
Right, but I like the way this other one's laid out, how you have all the trials. So Rondu, is she gonna send me the offer, did she say on that one?
For who?
Rondu, she said it plead to 10, but she didn't say what the.
Mr. Roki, Mr. Reeves is not coming out in break room 8.
Officer Hale, I don't know what happened to Cynthia Rayner. She was here and the room's not locked. So I don't know what happened. she must have got disconnected. So I don't know if you wanna hold off a little while, I don't know where she is. I didn't-
Okay, Your Honor, we stand corrected. Officer Hill?
Yes.
We called Cynthia Rayner case at 10:13 a.m. Case number SP 1366827, count 1, 2, and 3. And we didn't have no officer and it was dismissed without prejudice.
Okay, I had checked in and I was in
You
another
did,
courtroom.
you did.
Okay,
So you gotta reissue.
Sorry about that.
that's fine. I'm all set then?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Reeves, good morning. Do you have your paperwork, sir?
I sent it to the prosecutor through email.
Okay, just hit the screen.
Say that one more time.
Ms. Horn's on the screen, so.
I'm at my desk. Let me see. I believe it was a title, and that is Mr. Let's see, Reeves, correct?
Yes, improper equipment and improper plate. So he sent you this.
Okay, and so I looked at my email and what I saw was a title. Judge, as far as the ticket, do we know what kind of vehicle it was?
2014 Lincoln.
Okay. Okay, so I do have the 2014 Lincoln. I have a picture of that, and that is all I have. So the people would be inclined to offer the equipment, which I believe that may have been the offer.
There was no, the equipment was that the plate wasn't on right. So
Dude,
that,
I had
oh, tinted windows. Did you have tinted windows, Mr. Reeves?
yes, he also brought up my tinted windows.
So the people would go with the tinted windows. I'm not quite sure.
You want to take that, Mr. Reeves? Tinted windows, dismiss the improper plates.
Say that one more time.
Do you want to take the offer? Tinted windows, dismiss improper plates.
What percent was my my tinted windows? I want to know what's the.
Or you can go to trial. We have the officer here.
Okay, so I'm not offering to plead guilty or not guilty.
It's not a guilty, sir. It's a civil infraction, so it's only responsible plea. It doesn't have any points related to it. It's just a fine.
Okay, I'll take the tinted windows.
All right, this is People versus Justin Reeves, ticket number P1375546, count 1, tinted windows, count 2, improper plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with the officer, Amin Ram.
Good morning, police officer Amin Ra, badge 288.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Reeves. Mr. Reeves, could you state your name?
Justin Reeves.
Your Honor, at this time, my client's going to enter a responsible plea. I'd stipulate to the face of the complaint as a factual basis.
All right, you stipulate the proper cause, that's the count 2 to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
This is dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a $120 fine because this is a civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay it. Can you have it paid by February 3rd?
Okay. Well, I get instructions where I'm supposed to pay it at.
You can pay it online. Come down to the courthouse. There's a phone number you can pay it. I can give you the number whenever you're ready. There's kiosk in CVS or Meyer called DIV-DAT, D-I-V as in Victor, D-A-T as in Tom. You can pay it on the kiosk or you can download the app and pay it on the app.
I'm ready for the phone number.
1-855.
1-855. You say 798.
Yes. 1547.
And just to make sure we good, 1-855-798-1547.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Thank you, officer.
All right, thank you. Take care.
All right. right, so I'm gonna go and review that I guess, with